In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Now scroll again, this time to click on screen refresh rate, and apply one of those by simply clicking on it, dynamic, high or standard. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!